Welcome to LumeniFi. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to connect a bank account on LumeniFi so you can get started. There are two ways to connect a bank account. If you choose to connect your bank account directly, LumeniFi will automatically refresh your banking data every 48 hours. If you prefer to import your statements manually, you'll need to upload each new one yourself whenever you want to update your data. Both options are completely secure and follow strict privacy policies. Let's begin by showing you how to connect your bank account directly. From the home page, click on Link an Account. Then, under Connect Bank Account, click Connect Account. From there, select the type of account you want to add. You'll be asked to enter and verify your phone number for security. Next, choose your banking institution and enter the necessary banking credentials. Verify your identity and select the accounts you want to connect. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to assign the account to a financial view. Financial views are an easy way to organize your accounts. For example, you might create views for daily spending, investments, or shared finances. You can also choose to import your banking statements manually. To do this, click Import Now under the Import Bank Reports section. Upload as many statement files as you'd like, and then assign them to a financial view. Once your account is connected, your categorized transactions and financial views will appear in your dashboard. That's it! You've just learned how to add bank accounts and take the first step on your smarter financial journey with LumeniFi. Thank you for watching. See you in the next LumeniFi tutorial.